Hi, I'm pleased to be here. I represent IOP and I'm him. So, this won't be a development talk, and I know lunch is so close, so we all want to go to eat, so I'll be as brief as possible. What I want to show you is how your data is misused. For example, your length of this accreditation, your t-shirt type. Number of people who's going to troll me after this in the booth. Seat preference, shoe type. It's all nonsense now, but profiled and stored, it's a valuable asset. In what way? So, if it's profiled and given to people of interest, it provides them valuable insight in what you want, what you need, and what you're going to purchase. So, for example, Shoe Factory wants to know what your shoe size, number of steps which you do during the day, what's your favorite color. They make a profile, and they know exactly what to make. So you will buy it because you like it. You don't even know it, but you will buy it next time you go to shoe store. What does that give us? That does give us problems. How they get the data? They get it, or data miners. Most of us don't really care about shoe size. We are not fitness freaks, right? So they buy it from, for example, social networks, some apps for chat. We all give them consent to take the data from us. It's our data. We don't care for it. They take it. They resell it. But what if that's not right? Because they invade our privacy. Even though it is something that's about to come. EU reacted on the latest affair from greatest social network because they sold user data and nobody even knew for that. They reacted, they made laws. We all, of course, clicked, yes, yes, I agree, next. I agree, I sold my wife, next. I sold my house, next. Yep, you can use my data. Okay, thank you. They resell it. That is not the way it should be. So, there are certain projects. I'm not going to talk about my project, which I represent, because there are many. Maybe we are not the best, but you will look it up and decide. What we offer you is your data is yours. You can choose if you're going to put it on the market, get paid for it, or you can keep it safe. So blockchain tech, which you heard some about in a previous lecture, gives us a chance with our infrastructure and our protocol to give options to people. And our goal is to give people's data in people's hands. So, how's that going to happen? We have a profile server from which manufacturers choose to take data. Blockchains give us options that we give them data and they can copy it. Even if they make like print screens or something, or try to misuse it, it's not really going to work just because profile server, after contract is executed, retracts your data. And it goes back to pool. The pool is important because it contains many raw data, which is important to them, not important to you, but you can earn $1, $5, $10, $100, you can earn. If you decide not to keep your data there, you can do just as GDPR gives you now. I retract my data, you won't get paid, and that's it. Nothing more, nothing less. But it ensures they can't misuse the data we give them because our privacy is important, even though we don't care about some minor things like how fast you type. It's not important to you, it's not important to me, it's a minor data, but some manufacturer would pay a fortune to get that data because it's important. If you type that fast and you use it a certain number of times, certain number of days, you're going to ruin their keyboard. So they're going to make better quality or worse quality and put it with your favorite car that you will buy just because it's your favorite color. In the end, we offer them that data which they can get for a better price than exploring the whole market, and we earn. We, users who are important to them, and buyers who give most precious data without any hassle. And if we decide, we take it back. So it is not privacy but choice, it is privacy but right. But if we decide, let them have it, it's okay. At least we will be able to decide for how long they have it, as we can retract it anytime, what data of ours they get. Not all, I want to give this, and that's it. And how will they use it? Application. It's like simple as scientific research. Great pool of people, excellent. Great source. Healthcare. Market research. And you can count all day. So, classic supply and demand. If you put a pool of resources and offer it, someone will pay for it. But why would social network get paid for your data? Why wouldn't we get 50 cents or $100? We'll spend it on whatever we want, or we'll choose, okay, I'm going to keep it for myself and you won't get my data. So this wasn't a developer's talk. It was more of an awareness call to realize how important very basic data is. Even what t-shirt you want to buy. For someone, it's gold. For you, it's nothing. Earn on it. So please look us up on Discord, Telegram. Just Google us, whatever you want to use. Think about how valuable your data is, and don't disregard privacy because it's your right, not your choice. Thank you.